Okay, so this is just another video I made out of a bigger video, just so it's easier for people to search. So if you ever get this, you can search for this video, it'll be easier to find. Now, I was just talking to someone actually the other day about this. You get backfeed from 3-port valves. You saw when this one was off for hot water, the backfeed was 75 volts. If you have a Worcester RI, they can sometimes run off low voltages like that, and another boiler that can do that is the Glowworm micron. With a low backfeed of 70 volts, 80 volts, then the boilers will run and fire. In the case of the micron, it will do that without the pump running, so it will overheat. Now the RI controls the pump itself, I believe, I can't remember now. But so the RI won't overheat, but everything will come on when it shouldn't. But on a Glowworm micron, the boiler will just run until it overheats. So if you ever go to one that's overheating, check that with everything turned off, that it's not firing off the backfeed voltage from the 3-port. So the normal sort of voltage you get backfeed is sort of 65 to 80 volts. If you had something like 110 or something, then changing the 3-port actuator would usually resolve that. But if you phone Worcester and Glowworm, I'm sure both of them do something to help prevent that. That just goes between live and neutral on their boilers.